Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to apply for a job with Coldwell Banker. You have to head over to the official website, which looks something like this, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll find something called careers right over here. But there is also this seller's assurance program. But let's say we just want to search for a job here, so we'll just click on career, which will bring you to a page like this. From there you need to click on get started and then put in your name and then your last name, phone number, email, enter what location you are situated, and make sure if you can put in the precise city like Michigan or wherever you are located, and then right over here fill up more information about who you are and why they should hire you, things like that, and then click on submit. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.